Hey guys, welcome to a brand new video. Today we're gonna unbox Bose 700. It's a new noise cancellation headphone. It's around 400 pounds. In a way, it's supposed to be a approved version of QC35. So we're gonna try this out. So it is come with the Google Assistant. You have built-in Google Assistant or Alexa and individual touch control pad, Bose music apps where you can control the headphones, and also come with the 20 hours of charge. I have 4 different mics, so when you come with the phone calls, you do get a really better quality. We're going to try them out, see is it better than the Sony Mark III. The warranties, that's pretty much it. You get a very nice small case from Bose, have the Bose brands on it on the top. So it is a very different case than the Bose QC35s. Is your headphone, it's a bit more slimmer, definitely a bit more lighter compared to the QC35s. Weird angle on the Bose corners where it's more of a narrowed, lean shaped, and you have the touch pads for pause, play, phone calls, and you have a small compartment where you have USB-C charger and also come with the audio jack as well. So first of all, it's very light, much more comfortable. At the Bluetooth button on the top, power button. I noticed the material they use on the top, it is very different compared to the one they used to. The adjustable works like this, so if you push it, it will go back, and you don't have like, one thing I started to notice, like if you break this, you have to buy a new headphones. I don't think Bose replaced the headbands alone. I can say like easy to break, and we're gonna use it without the app. Then we're gonna connect to the app and see if any change in comparing with the Mark III. Even I'm not pick it up, you can see like the loudness. Play that. So they are pretty loud, and let me see how the bass, balanced bass compared to the QC35, where QC35 is like almost no bass. So it's from the headphones, so it's getting ready to use. You have the touch control, phone call, and the noise cancellation, and also you have the voice assistant, the touch pads. So that's give you all the guides what you can do. So that is pause and play and next and previous. So that's all works. Quite a lot of option with the noise cancellation, where it's in a rating rate where you have 0 to 10. So assume that 10 is going to be your full noise cancellation, and let me try that with different levels, see if anything change. So the 10 is seem to be one of the best noise cancellations, where you get the full noise cancellation on. When you move to 8, the noise cancellation slightly change. So the noise cancellation slightly changed on the 8 and the 7, and the 5 is going to be your mid-range noise cancellation. So without any songs, see how much noise cancellation I'm getting with the 10. I slightly hear a few things, but it's not much. So therefore you can use this headphone without a song. But when you come to transport wise, where airplanes or even train, I think you will still gonna hear a little bit of noise. They don't have a much choice when you come to the phone bass. Sony, you get it on where you can change the bass, you can add bass, you can. So the whole setting, I can see the name, product tool, voice assistant, shortcut, self voice, noise cancellation, language, and auto power. Don't get that same control as Mark III. Both do have really good sound for sure. So we can watch from friends.
So how does it feel knowing you're about to die? Would in 5 minutes my pain will be over.
It's clear.
But you'll have to live with the knowledge
The audio sync with the movement with the video, so there is no delay.
I just want to go back to my cell. Because in my cell, I can smoke. Smoke away!
So there is no problem with the audio for sure in Bose. You have the Bose 700 and the Mark III. So first of all, you have to look, it is pretty much the same size, where the Bose is a bit more wider on the top. And when you come to the ear cups, exact the same ear cups, they same size. Bose head adjustment, you get a bit more difference on the outlook, and Sony you do get a bit more where is it rotational and not only that, you can fold them into small piece, where on the Bose you cannot fold, so there is no folding. So therefore you have to carry your case all the time. If you don't, then there is a higher chance you can break it. Let's connect the Mark III, and we're going to try the quality of both and see if it is any better than the Bose. And as you see, you have quite a lot of settings to play around. So I get a personalized noise cancellation, auto press, so pause play, and also I have a sound position sound, so I can actually turn that on. It is come with a built-in equalizer, so I can change. So I can just turn into bright or excited, or so I will have a much better bass. Not only that, much clearer audio comparing with the Bose. Bose, you don't get the option where you can pick and choose where the noise is coming from and you want to cancel that out. Sony, you got an option where what kind of noise cancellation you want to do. So are you walking or in the transport? So Sony does provide you better quality in overall. So again, you have the same button as pause, get both working in the both sides, and you have an ambient sound as well. If you put a hold to one side, that will turn on the mic and you get a full ambient sound, and it is around 360. I will leave a link below for Amazon. In my opinion, that is Sony Mark III is still your best noise cancellation headphone in the market so far. Even though Bose just came out with their new model, they are nowhere close. When you come to the audio control, you do get quite a lot of control of your own music. You don't get the same options or same features as Sony Mark III. If you are interested in a premium noise cancellation headphone, best choice is going to be Sony Mark III. The one thing I have to give up for Bose, they done an amazing job on their microphones. Taking a phone call, they are one of the clearest phone calls you can ever answer. Thank you for watching, and see you guys on the next video.